Let me quickly share my screen. My name is Solomon Abio. I want to welcome everybody, especially those of you who are here for the first time. I can see we have over 129 people on the, 31 people on the webinar. And I want to welcome you all. Those of you who are here for the first time, I want to say you are welcome, and whoever invited you has done a great job. It's going to be very wonderful this evening. I'm going to take time and take you through the opportunity. I want to believe most of you here are employees or workers or staff of other companies, and you have actually been invited here for this wonderful opportunity. So I'm going to take my time and show you what the opportunity is all about. So the company's name is called VET, Value Empire Trade. And Value Empire Trade is basically a powerful system that we use to, promote people's brands.
They're saying some are employers, so correct it.
Okay, some are also employers. Sorry. Okay, some of you are employers. I mean, you engage people, and I think you are even blessed because as an employer, I think you have a business, and that business needs to be promoted. That business needs to go beyond the borders of your geographical locale. That's go beyond the borders of Ghana, the borders of Africa, and go throughout the world. And that is where Value Empire Trade comes in. In Value Empire Trade, our hallmark is to put value on the people that we work with, to empower them to create an empire. Empire is having financial freedom and stability, and then impact it, share it. That's what we call trade. So before you can trade your empire, you have to first create an empire. And we think that before you can create an empire, we have to put value upon you, because we realize that most people have what it takes to make the most of life, but they are not valued. So at VET, we value you. So we give you all the necessary support, right from personal to spiritual to social to relationship, marital, social, culture, even political, to ensure that your financial stability, your economic stability is solid. So we actually want you to be able to have a very big reach throughout the world, be known throughout the world through whatever you do. Okay, and I'm privileged to be your facilitator this evening. My name is Solomon Ababio. I choose to call myself the Chief Servant Officer. I'm a wealth creation crusader. I'm a business apostle. And currently, I'm the CEO of ASA Holdings. That's my company. I'm the chairman and president of Value Empire Trade VET, which is the conglomerate that has invited you this evening for this wonderful opportunity. I'm also the CEO of WealthGate International. I'm the president of Adolate Ghana. Adolate, we actually a pharmaceutical company. We supply Replenish Plus. It's an immune booster that fights against viral diseases. So during this COVID-19, our product has been very, very effective for the government and the frontline workers. I'm also the chairman of Asador Farms Mall. I'm the co-founder of Ejum.com, the #1 e-commerce platform in Africa. I have a foundation called Papa Solo, where we do charity projects. I'm the president. And then I'm also the founder and president of, Kings and Priests Network. So one of the reasons why most people are looking for business, money and trying to always stay relevant is because of what they do and the approach they use. Most people use an approach that allows, they go after chasing money. But you see, how long can you go around chasing money? If you keep on chasing money, money will keep running away from you. So you have to put together systems and strategies that helps you to become a money magnet. So I put on the screen here, be a money maker on the go. To be a money maker on the go simply means you should have systems and strategies that allow people to come to you, directly. And what we're about to show you tonight is to help you become a money magnet. Yeah, so how do we make money on the go? Which is the reason why we invited you here. We have to make money on the go because something very big is happening to our world. And what is happening to our world is such that it gives us the opportunity to make money anywhere in the world. I tell people COVID-19 is a blessing in disguise. And via COVID-19, a lot of good things happened. Yes, a lot of people died. Less people got ill. But a lot of new organizations emerged. How do you also emerge? But what I'm about to show you is not the regular network marketing thing that we all know. This is actually a destructive system that allows you to become an entrepreneur wherever you are. And it allows you to be able, to get the best of the times and season we are. If you agree with me, in this season, it's actually the best time for people to actually make money. If you want to make money, we are in the best of times. We are in the best of times, to make money. These are the days that, a lot of great men have been wishing to be. You understand? So I always tell people that, look, instead of crying wolf to the fact that COVID came and spoiled a lot of things, you should also look at that. What is a good thing I can create? And we at VET says, this is the best time to sow your seed. Sow your seed on the soil of VET, okay? On the soil of VET. And I want us all to know one thing, that it is good to look for money. It is good to work and look for money. But where you sow your seed determines where or how you make the money. It's going to be a journey. And I always say the journey to creating wealth is not straight, but is the best. And to us, we are going to take you through a process of getting started, to the level of building, to the level of duplicating, and then of course, achieving more. And that's what we stand for in VET. So the reason we invited you here is simply for business partnership. And when we say business partnership, we mean you plus we, the system called VET, and the platform, our partners, we partner with Greenleaf International. Coming together, we form a solid, formidable business partnership. So what is this VET thing all about? What is this VET thing all about? Let me just do this quickly and then I'll move on. VET is a consultancy company, and we actually consult for multinationals, multi-billion-dollar companies, and multi-level marketing companies. And currently we partnered and we are consulting for another company called Greenleaf International, which I'm going to show you briefly, because they are going to be the cash cow we are going to leverage on for you to build your dream business, for you to build, your conglomerate across the globe. We are also into market expansion. If you are here, you are looking to expand your market, one of the best things to do is to partner with Greenleaf International. And with VET. And Greenleaf International partnered with us because they wanted to expand their market. And that's why we've invited you here. We're also into team building, okay? Most organizations and people's companies and people are not making money because they don't have a team. Because teamwork pays. It's not group work that pays. And then ultimately to help you to have product penetration and then system support. So our vision is to impacting individuals to touch the world. And also our mission is to create a better everyday for many people, support people perform better, think faster, and of course, live a better life every day. And as you can see, our core values as well. So basically our goals is to accelerate brands across the world, okay, find groundbreaking products, and then to be a go-to hub for businesses. So if you already have a business, our mantra and our joy is to see your business all over the world, is to put you on the global map so that everybody can, access you and do business with you. And that's one of our major goals, okay? So with VET, we help you to, when you partner with us, we help you to get residual income, vacation, car awards, house incentive, scholarship, and system support. With our residual income, we are going to partner with our sister company called Empomat. God willing, next month, we are going to do the official launching of how you get another residual income from VET, whilst our partnership platform, Greenleaf, also pays you simultaneously. Okay, so what do we offer our members? Creativity, startup, strategy, and business. So when we decided to, partner with a platform, we weigh them on a three-legged scale called age, timing, and foundation. We look at the age of the platform, the timing of the platform, the foundation. This platform's age was good. It's over 20 years, almost 26 years old. The timing was right because it's not yet a household name in Africa, for that matter, Ghana. And the foundation, I mean, they've been in business for years. They are into production, manufacturing, OEM. They have a 5-star hotel. They have universities. They are into banking and finance. They have agriculture, real estate. They have solid foundation. They just started the multi-level marketing, the franchisee that allowed me and you to partner with them just about 5 years ago. So when we scaled them, we saw now, no, the company that weighs better was Greenleaf. We got offers from some 6-month-old company, 2-3 years old companies. But when we compared some few things, we realized that no, Greenleaf stands tall in reference to their age, in reference to their foundation, in reference to their timing, reference to their portfolio. They have over 4,700 products in their portfolio. We say, no, these guys are solid. So what you see on the screen is our marketing center, administrative center, and production center in China. So we are actually a multinational. We are into several countries with over 22 years of experience in production of high quality brands and consumable products across the world. These are CEO, Mr. William Zhou. Okay, he's actually the CEO of Greenleaf International. He might be in Ghana very soon. Yeah, this is our chairman or president, Mr. Li Yanlin. He's also, the Deputy Director of Health Industrial Research Center in Asia. He will also be in Ghana very soon. These are 5-star hotel, as you can see on the screen, and the good news, anytime we go to China, we have the opportunity to be in this 5-star hotel. And very soon we'll all be there. This is our industrial park. Our company is seated on a city. It's on a city. It's very big. It's very big. Most of you know of Airport City. It's like 20 times of Airport City. So you can imagine. You can imagine, right? So these are a few facts about the company. It's actually the first company to produce the first organic Pro Health baby diapers. Most of you know of baby diapers. We produce the first health-based baby diapers that help the babies to stay healthy and energized and take care of some rashes and some illness in them while they wear the baby diaper. With Greenleaf product, you can make over 150% gain through sales. Yeah, they are so much affordable. Yeah, most of the things me and you need at home, Greenleaf have it. They have everything you can think about. Even slippers, we have it. Even pillow, we have it. And their products are highly affordable. And the products speak for themselves. Okay, and it's a win-win platform. The company says, you know what, we have the product, get us the market and get rewarded for that. Okay, yeah, and we are all over the world. These are some of our facilities, as you can see on the screen. Okay, this is the industrial park. Everything you see there is the company's property. Sorry, today I'm at a low key because I'm fasting and I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. The whole day I've not eaten. I've been home for some time. So pardon me if my energy level is low today. I need it for better momentum. But hey, I'm going to make sure that you get to understand all the nitty-gritty, what you need to know. Right. These are all our properties, as you see on the screen. These are quality and safety production centers across the world. Some of our intelligent machines are in Germany, some are in France, some are in Switzerland, some are in Italy, some are in US, and of course, some are in China. So one of our global strategy is actually to, create R&Ds across the world. So we have some in Switzerland, we have some in Shanghai, we have some in Italy, we have some in our young university, and these are all to help us expand properly. One of our global strategies we have used for penetration is to create community, which is called brand. And Greenleaf has 9 different brands, as you can see on the screen. 9 different brands, where the Keris, the Sila, the Neri, Kali, iLife, EasyLab, Yebel, Mavisa, and then the Shanry brands. All these brands are what groups our products in various formats. So as you can see, we have everything you can think about. Even we have wine, we have pillow, we have our clothing lines as well. Yeah. And the good is that all our products are organic. Yeah, we don't do synthetic and this chemical-based kind of product. Even our lipstick, as you see on the screen there, is made from flower petals. Everything you can think about in Greenleaf is all organic based. Most of you have seen this product for cockroach. Yeah, it's for us. It's been around for years. Most people have been using it. We have some for mouse. This is one of our products that is all over in the world. This is one of our phenomenal products I love so much. It's called the non-stick frying pan or pan. You prepare food inside without oil, it will not stick inside. Yeah, you can fry egg without oil, it will fry it properly. These are face mask. This is not a regular nose mask. This is the whole face. Before you bath, 5 minutes before you bath, you put on your face. It helps you to have a tightening face. If your face is getting loosed, it has anti-aging properties. It makes your face, saturated and takes away wrinkles, decolorization as well. These are tissues that the company manufactures, but it's made from bamboo. Yeah, bamboo. It's made from bamboo tissue, as you can see on the screen. This cap, I love it so much, because it's made from bamboo paper. And it's disposable cap though, but it retains heat for long. When you put water inside for some time, the water becomes alkaline. This is very portable. So remember, what we are talking about is not rocket science. There's companies say switch your brand, get paid. Switch your brand, get a business partnership. Switch your brand, get organic product, share, get paid. And we have various segmentation products: electronic, beauty, fragrance, sanitary, laundry products, household products, health products, wipes and diapers, everything you can think about. As you can see on the screen, we even have toothbrush, we have toilet cleaners, we have laundry products, we have sanitary pad for women, baby diapers, roll-on, perfumes, lipstick, alkaline cap, makeup, everything. We have over 4,700 products. So you can imagine. Yeah. This is our smart store in China, as you can see on the screen. We have an app that helps you to run your business effectively. We have a charity project that helps us to share to the world, as you can see on the screen. So the reason why we invited you all here, how do we get paid, which is very important to me. How do we get paid and run away? You see, in life, if you want to make money, just provide solutions to problems. VET, in collaboration with Greenleaf International, have identified several solutions to solve everyday problems, everyday challenges, everyday difficulties. And for me and you solving it, the company says we are going to reward you for that. And our reward package runs from residual income, vacation, car incentive, house incentive, scholarship. The company pays us 13 different commissions and bonuses. 13 different commissions. So I can see on the screen, there's a bonus called return on investment. The moment you pay your money, Greenleaf pays you back in your product given to you. That is gain. That is profit. That's income. When you build your team, the company pays you. When your team start growing, you call it group growing, the company pays you. They use a binary system. When you balance your legs and your team balance, it's called sales balance, you get paid. The company gives you free voucher when you join to shop. It's also a bonus. Now the product are for you. Should you sell the product, you make some money. It's called retail bonus. Now, as a member of the company, when your team start making money, the company pays you. It's called leadership bonus. Every month, when you buy products to maintain, the company rewards you for doing that. It's called maintenance bonus. When your team does same, you get paid. When you do it yourself, personal maintenance. When you do extra, more than what you're supposed to do, extra maintenance bonus. Now, the ice on the cake, they give what we call the welfare incentive. Every month when you are paid, you are given some points towards your car, travel, and house. It's called point welfare incentive. And then when you become a staff director, you start in the staff director incentive. So with team building, the system says you can earn up to $1,650 every day. So imagine when you bring people and you keep on bringing people, the company says every day you can make $1,000+. Imagine this thing happens for 30 days non-stop, how much you can make. The group growing says the team members you brought, when they also start bringing people, you also start making money. In a day, you can make up to $570 because you can't control this. So the system put a cap. Else, when your team start growing exponentially and start blowing up, you can blow up the system. So imagine this 570 happens for 30 days. This is how much you can make in a month. This is how much you can make in a month. $17,100. This is all things being equal. So imagine you have 3, 4, 5 accounts. And ladies and gentlemen, these figures are even conservative figures. These are figures we are giving in reference to only you bringing 2 people. But imagine more people come. Now, because we are using a binary system, when the company pays you on 2 legs, okay, you get paid for the 2 legs. So the moment it balances, you get paid. In a month, you can make up to $13,200. Please don't worry if you don't understand this, because we do trainings, okay, in the office and on Zoom to explain this with a detailed, open, calculated comp plan. These are just synopsis. And then we have leadership bonus. In leadership bonus, you can earn up to 14 generations. Leadership bonus is simple. You brought me. Once I'm making money, the company says, take part of my money. Even though I take all my money back, but you will pay the percentage of it up to 14 levels deep. 14 levels deep means you brought me on your first level. All the people I bring, they're your second level, and so on. Then we have maintenance bonus. This is also paid at the end of the month. The company allows you to earn based on, people joining the business and every month they purchasing product. And you can earn up to 30%, but the good news is you can earn up to 60 level. This is the only company I know that you earn 60 level in maintenance. But now the revolution is in maintenance, the company does it automatic for you every month. So nobody has to technically, practically go to the office to buy products. The system will do it for you. And for doing that, you are going to earn 60 levels on people's maintenance they've done without you motivating or encouraging or advising them or pulling or compelling them to go and do it. No. So imagine Coca-Cola says every month, whatever people buy to drink, you get paid for that. So the system says, assuming only 2 people, you brought 2 people who also bring 2 people up to 10 levels. And every month they all do 430 points. You can make this money you can see on the screen, $18,300. 450 points is too much. So we say, okay, let's assume everybody make 15 points. 15 points is about 70 to 80 Ghana cedis. 70 to 80 Ghana cedis. The system says that if everybody bring 2 people, and that happens to from 10 levels to 60 level, and then a month, this is how much you can make, $2 million. And that is why we are so excited, and we believe that with this system, we are going to raise millionaires very soon. So I tell the team, concentrate on duplicating, concentrate on team building. Let your team bring people who bring people. When that continues to about 60 generation, this is how much you can make in a month. When everybody does 15 PV, which the system will do for them automatically. And also, this is just for 2 people. What happens when they go more than 2 people? Then we have team maintaining bonus. When your team members maintain their bonus, you get paid. When you personally maintain your bonus, you get paid. They said do 15 PV, but you did more than 15 PV. For doing that extra, you get paid extra maintaining bonus. Yeah. Then the welfare incentive, the system says every month they take a percentage and store for you in your back office when you become a manager towards your travel, your house, and then your incentive, your car. And here they give the money to you like point. You see points. So 1 point is equivalent to $100. So should you see your point accumulating to $100, 100 points, that's actually $10,000. And at any point you can request for it and to be applied for you and given to you. We have promotions to travel. We have travel incentive. Every year we have 4 destinations. China, Dubai are always constant. We consider America, Europe, and Asia, or even Africa as an alternative country. Yeah, but at the moment, we have a promotion ongoing for Dubai. Greenleaf says just do $15,000, PV points, and you qualify for a 5-day or a 1-week Dubai trip. Okay, but if you do more than the 15,000 up to 20,000 above, you will have another trip to Royal Senchi before we proceed to Dubai. Yeah. So this is a video of a Dubai trip, which there's no sound, so I'll just jump it. Yeah. This gentleman, I love him so much. Congratulations to him. Mr. Solomon Ochre. He just qualified 3 days after we launched the Dubai trip. Yeah. The reason why he qualified so easy is that we have this offer also. Okay, 45,000. Whenever you join, KY will explain this into details very soon because most of the leaders are not even really synchronized with this. If you do 45,000 Ghana cedis, you qualify for the Dubai trip, you get 3 green, you get 3 crown account from Greenleaf. VET will give you 1 year service, 1 year marketing and advertising videos for your service center. And of course, you earn 6% of every transaction that takes place in your organization. We also give global recognitions and awards when we go to China every month. Yeah. The next is our car award. Greenleaf give cars. We have car promos, and Greenleaf only give how do you call it? Benz, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche Cayenne. Because I'm not the administrator, you can't hear the sound. But these are some of the video of some of the cars that the company gives. Currently in Ghana, we are yet to run a promo, and we believe that a lot of people in Ghana will qualify for the car very soon. Yeah, let's jump this. But when you become a 1-star director, they give you a free Mercedes-Benz without necessarily going through a car promo. You become a 2-star, you get a Porsche Cayenne. Yeah. I love this picture so much because she used 4 months to qualify. A lady in South Africa. Yeah. Then we have house incentive. You become a 3-star director, the company gives you house incentive worth 3.5 million RMB. That's about $300,000. Yeah. So how do you become part of the family? We have bronze package, silver package, platinum package, crown package. If you want to join the business, crown is the best, but bronze is 500, silver is 1,000, gold is 1,002, platinum is 1,005, diamond is 6,000. Yeah, so these are the packages, okay? And every package, you get product more than the package. Yeah, the product given to you, when you sell, you get more than the package. And every package, they give you points, the PVs, which are actually for your residual income earnings. And remember, Greenleaf is the only company that when you join, they give you so much product that they even give you a product voucher on top. Yeah. You pay less, you get more PVs. And you can start from any level and upgrade later. So if you want to do crown, you start from 500, later you pay the difference, you get it. If you want to own a country, you want to be the person that takes the business to the country, you pay $300,000, and the country become yours. You have margins on the pricing and everything. Yeah. If you want to own a region, it's $50,000. If you want to own a branch, as I already mentioned, it's $45,000. And remember, all these come with incentives and gains. So Greenleaf pays you as a partner, really pays you as a product user, also as a distributor and investor. So any package, anything you want to do with Greenleaf, you get paid. As you say, hey, I don't want to join, I want to just use product, you get paid. You want to just buy and sell, distributor, you get paid. You want to take a country or a region or a province or a city, you get paid. You want to partner with the company as we have done, you also get paid. So thank you so much. Sorry, I'm not in my element today. As I mentioned, I'm in a fast. So I'm tired. The whole I've not eaten. My head is bashing me. So I'll hand over to Mr. Kwabena Yeboah to continue from here, and then we pick up from here. God bless. Bye-bye.